Shankar, please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, since last couple of years, I am facing this business loss, cheating, etc.
Hmm.
And recently, sir, since last 2 to 3 years, I am, part of a team, and we have developed a
Hmm.
battery, and we are waiting for the signing of that agreement because on that basis, money will come. So, sir, my question is, do you
Hmm.
think,
Shankar, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Continue, please, sir.
sir?
Shankar, please continue.
Yeah, sir, I'm facing this business loss. So I've suffered a lot, lost all my houses and all. So I'm starting again.
Hmm.
So this is my question. How soon can I become, some money inflow will come due to this signing or any other reasons?
Okay. Give me a random number, please.
Sir, 1, 2, 3.
123, right?
Right, sir.
Be blessed. Or this is a partnership business that you have, ah?
Yes, sir. I am part of a team and I have also invested my money through loan and all. And we are expecting some good signing from some company, then only money will come. This
Okay,
is my only
seventh
silver line.
seventh bow starting Pisces at 2606. Sublord is Jupiter in the star of Venus, sitting in the 11th bhava, owning the second bhava, owning the ninth bhava. Sir, 100% guaranteed, sure shot success for you, sir.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you so much, sir. In just couple of months or 1 to 2 months, we are expecting something soon.
1.5 months from now, when Sun transits into Ashlesha Nakshatra, which will happen in
Okay,
approximately 40-41 days from today. Things will
right.
accelerate for you. In about 3 months, you will get investments from whoever you are expecting. This is sure shot
Okay,
success. You don't have to even,
sure, sir.
no
Okay,
need to
so
worry
I
about
can
it at all.
back to
Put
my
your
situation.
best efforts forward. Put your best
Right.
efforts forward. All things will go through forward very well. All the very best to you. Good luck. Be blessed.
Thank you for the time, sir. Good night, sir.